Alright, you guys, we're gonna try something here. Normally I would be recording this because I always wanted to do a cold start, and I wanted to see the difference between, I know some people are gonna argue this right here because it goes back and forth quite a bit, but I wanted to see if there's a difference. Did I lose any sound because I used to have quad tips and now there's single tips back there? So I personally feel like it had a little bit more rumble with the quad tips, but a lot of people are saying, yo, it sounds crazy. So I can never get the sound right on my iPhone, so I figured I'm gonna put on the Rode mic on the Canon T6i that I have, and we're gonna give this a shot, man. I want to see what it sounds like, if it can pick up the sound where you can actually hear the exhaust on here. So we're just gonna do a cold start. I haven't started Prime in 2 days, so let's see what I could pick up out of this. So you guys can be the judge of that. Let's give it a little rev, see if we can pick it up. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to go to the front of the car and see if it can pick up the blow-off valve. Now we're going to do the front of the car and hopefully it picks up the blow-off valve. So we're going to put this right here. Hopefully that picked it up. I don't know if it did, but hopefully that sound, man, it sounds crazy in here. So hopefully you guys can hear the same thing that I'm hearing, because that dude, yeah, sounds crazy, dog. Appreciate it.